Welcome to the session of factorizing expressions. Factorizing linear expressions. How to factorize? Step 1. Identify common factors. Step 2. Factorize algebraic expressions. How to find the highest common factor. To find the highest common factor, HCF, of two numbers, list all the factors of both, and choose the largest common factor. Try to find the HCF of the following. What is factorizing? Factorizing is the process of breaking down a mathematical expression into simpler components. This is done by finding common factors that can be removed from each term of the expression. Let's try some examples. Factorize 9x plus 18y. The HCF of 9 and 18 is 9 itself. So we can take 9 out of each term of the given expression. So answer is 9x plus 2y. Let's try another one. Factorize 32xy minus 20x. The HCF of 32xy and 20x is 4x. So we can take 4x out of each term of the given expression. So answer is 4x times 8y minus 5. Factorize fully. 27x minus 6. Step 1. Identify the HCF of all the terms. Step 2. Write the HCF outside the bracket. Step 3. Divide each term by the HCF. Step 4. Write the answer inside the brackets. Now it's your turn. Factorize fully. 27xy minus 18. Factorize fully. 30x minus 12y. Factorize fully. 18x squared plus 30x. Factorizing quadratic expressions. General form of quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c. How to factorize quadratic expressions? Step 1. Find two numbers such that product is a times c and sum is b. Step 2. Split the middle term using these two numbers. Step 3. Take the common factors out and simplify. Let's discuss an example. Factorize x squared plus 4x plus 4. Step 1. Identify a, b, c term of your given quadratic expression. The value of a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 4 in the given expression. The product of terms a and c is 4 here, term b is also 4. So select two numbers, which will give answer 4 when they multiply, and 4 when they add also. The selected two numbers are 2 and 2. Now split the middle term using these selected numbers. So split 4x as 2x plus 2x in the given expression. Now take common factors out. Here from x squared and 2x, x is a common factor. From last two terms 2 is a common factor, which leads to x times x plus 2 times x plus 2. From the above expression x plus 2 is a common factor, hence take x plus 2 out, put the remaining in another bracket. So solution is x plus 2 times x plus 2. Now question time. Factorize x squared plus 6x plus 8. Factorize 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Follow for more videos.